Hello children, welcome to Narayana Live classes. Our today's subject is General Awareness and our topic is Animal Sounds and their Young Ones. And your home assignment is in General Awareness Practicare on page number 10. So children, what you have to do on page number 10, ma'am is going to read the instructions for you all. Match the animal to their sounds. Let's start our home assignment. Which animal is this? This is an elephant. And what is the sound of elephant? Elephant sound is trumpet. So match the elephant to its sound, trumpet. Okay, now come on the next animal. Which animal is this? This is a horse. And what is the sound of horse? Horse is neigh. Now match the horse with its sound, neigh. Now come on the next animal. Which animal can you see? This is a donkey. And what is the sound of donkey? Donkey's bray. So match the donkey with its sound, bray. Now come on the another animal. Which animal is this? This is a dog. I'm sure you all know the sound of dog. Dogs bark. So match the dog with its sound, bark. Now come here. Which animal is this? This is a hen and hens cluck. So match the hen with its sound, cluck. Now come on the next animal. Which animal is this? This is a sheep. And what is the sound of sheep? Sheep's bleat. Match the sheep with its sound, bleat. Now come on the next animal. Which animal is this? This is a fox. Foxes yelp. So match the fox with its sound, yelp. Now which animal is this? This is a duck. I'm sure you all know ducks quack quack. So match the duck with its sound, quack. Now come on the last animal. Which animal can you see here? This is a cat and cat does meow. So match the cat with its sound, meow. So children, we have done matching the animal with their sounds. The same way you have to match very beautifully and neatly. That's all for today. We will meet again. Thank you. Till then, take care of yourself.